Looking for a calculator that's always ready when you need it? The TI-503SV Pocket Calculator offers a clear, easy-to-read display and reliable performance in a compact design. Whether you're crunching numbers on the go, managing household finances, or converting recipes in the kitchen, this calculator makes quick math effortless and accurate. I've used the TI-503SV myself, and what stands out is its perfect balance between size and functionality. Measuring just 5 by 3 by 0. 5 inches, it slips easily into a bag or drawer without ever feeling cramped. The large 8-digit LCD with 7mm tall characters ensures every number is visible at a glance, even in less than ideal lighting. Plus, the soft, oversized keys feel great under your fingers, no fumbling or mistakes while entering data. One feature that really matters is the plus or minus switch key, which simplifies inputting negative numbers, saving time and frustration. And with its 3-key memory, you can store and recall numbers quickly, making multi-step calculations smoother. The TI-503SV also shines in its battery efficiency. Thanks to an automatic shut-off function, you won't worry about the battery draining when you forget to turn it off. It's economical enough to keep one in every room, office, kitchen, or classroom, so you're never without a trusted tool. Travelers will appreciate its compact size and reliability. While many rely on their phones for calculations, there's something about a physical calculator that feels more precise and distraction-free. Users have praised its size as just right, not too bulky, not too small, and while it's not solar-powered, its affordable price makes replacing batteries hassle-free. If you want a calculator that's straightforward, dependable, and designed with everyday use in mind, the TI-503SV is worth a look. It delivers exactly what you need: clear results, easy handling, and long-lasting battery life. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your calculation game without overcomplicating things.